breathing! Get the doctor! But you need to wash your fucking body right now, bro. You need to wash your body. Wash your... What is this? Paping! Nagka-addict ka ba, ha? Nagka-addict ka ba? Oh, his eyes are burning. Just, you need to get the doctor. Let me fix your booger right now, bro. Let me fix your eyes right now, bro. Let me fix your eyes. Let me fix your eyes. Let me drink you a water. Let me wash your body right now, bro. Oh, you just made me realize you have no body. Let me see. He's not breathing. Get the doctor right now, bro. Get the doctor. Bro. Ika to. Let me fix your eyes, bro. Let me fix your eyes.